Words can have three parts: the base word, the prefix, and the suffix. Do they always have three parts? No, but there's always a base word. You can't have a prefix or suffix without a base word. Will you show me an example? Sure. Let's learn about the suffix ing. We put it on a base word to show something is happening now. You mean like, I'm jumping on the bed? Here, fall is the base word. The suffix ing helps us to know that it's happening now. It is falling from the tree. What about the suffix ed? The suffix ed tells us something happened in the past. It has three sounds. Blend, ed, blended. In blended, the suffix ed says ed. It tells us it happened in the past. Blend, ed. I blended a drink at lunch. Say printed. In printed, the ed says ed. Print, ed. I printed on the paper. How about jumped? The suffix is saying t. Jump, t. He jumped on the beds. Let's try yelled. The suffix ed is saying d. Yell, d. He yelled when he fell. I'm glad we have suffixes. They help us express our thoughts. That helped me. For more reading resources, go to Smart and Special Teaching. You'll find a link below. Thank you.